This song is in F minor, but we put our capos on the first fret and play it like we play E minor.
They say this world is fleeting, so why should